So here I have given a question. It says uh, that if P is a point on the parabola y equal to x square plus 4, so there is some parabola y equal to x square plus 4, and which is closest to the straight line y equal to 4x minus 1. So this is the line y equal to 4x minus 1. This is the straight line. And it has been said, then the coordinates of P are. So as you can see from this figure, we have drawn a random figure. So maybe this point would be there somewhere here, which is closest to this line. Now we have to find this coordinate of P. So how we approach this question? So in order to approach this question, what we have to do is that we have to first keep this fact in the mind that the closest point on this parabola, which is there, is having the shortest distance from this line if this is perpendicular to this line. Okay, this is one fact, that this is perpendicular to this line. Another fact is that this line, if extended, is actually a normal to the parabola. So what is normal? Normal is something which is perpendicular to tangent. So if we draw a tangent at this point like this, then this is a normal which is perpendicular to this tangent. This is tangent to the parabola. So keeping these points in consideration, we have to approach this question. So what we will do, we will first find the slope of this tangent. This tangent line, which is the green line here, we have to find its slope. So slope of tangent is actually dy by dx for any curve. That is derivative of y with respect to x. So what is the curve? It is x square plus 4. So we differentiate it with respect to x and we get 2x, as the derivative of 4 will be 0. So it will be 2x. Now this P point we don't know. Suppose this is alpha comma beta, which we have to find out. So x is alpha. So this is 2 alpha. At the point x is equal to alpha. So the slope is 2 alpha. Now another thing which is in front of us is that this tangent is parallel to this line y equal to 4x minus 1. Because normal is perpendicular to tangent also, as well as it is perpendicular to this line also. So in that case, this line, green line, is parallel to this blue line. So the slope of this line is 4. Slope is 4 because we remember y equal to mx plus c is a line. Then slope is m. So m is 4 here. So first thing which we get here is that slope is 4 and we are getting slope as 2 alpha. And both are equal. So first write till here. We have almost done the question. First write till here.
Sir, can you repeat your voice is lagging?
Okay. So from beginning.
No, sir, from slope of time.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have a curve y equal to x square plus 4. And there is a line y equal to 4x minus 1. And we have to find the point which is at the shortest distance from this line. So what we do, we consider a normal of this curve. A normal is actually perpendicular to the tangent. And it is also perpendicular to this line y equal to 4x minus 1. This point we assume is alpha comma beta. Now slope of this tangent to this curve is dy by dx. So we differentiate x square plus 4 with respect to dx, we get 2x. We put alpha there in place of x and we get the slope. Another way of getting the slope is the slope of this line, which is actually m, which is 4. So both of these are the slope. 2 alpha is also slope, m is also slope. So write till here. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we equate 2 alpha to 4 and we get alpha, which is 2. And since alpha beta, the point there is lying on this curve, which is y equal to x square plus 4. So we can get y also. X square plus 4 is this now. So x is 2. So 2 square plus 4, which we'll get as 8. So the point is 2 comma 8. This will be our answer.
This is the slope.
Yes, the slope is 2 alpha and it is equal to 4. So from there we get alpha, right? And then we get beta by the help of this equation. Right? So try this next question, then we will discuss this. This question here says that find y pi, that is the value of y at x is equal to pi if we have dy by dx is this. So it is given dy by dx is equal to 2. But here there is a problem. You need to know the integration also. So let us leave this question right now. I think we can do it later when we will do integration. Let us come to another question, which is purely on differentiation. So this is the question we have here. This question says, one second. Yeah. So this question says here that log of x plus y to the base e is equal to 4xy, and you have to find d2y by dx square at x is equal to 0. So how do we approach this question? This is double derivative, and sometimes in JEE double derivative questions come. So if we see here, let us do the first derivative. So when you will differentiate both the sides you will differentiate. So this will be 1 by x plus y. This is the derivative of log. and derivative of x plus y is 1 plus dy by dx. So x derivative is 1, y derivative is dy by dx. So this is the chain rule. On the right side, there will be the product rule, that is x into dy by dx plus y into dx by dx is 1. So this is what we will get here. So 1 plus dy by dx is equal to, we multiply x plus y there. So it will become 4x into x plus y dy by dx plus 4y x plus y. So we get this. Okay. Now let us take dy by dx on one side. So dy by dx will come here. And this will be 1 minus 4x into x plus y is equal to 4y into x plus y minus 1. So this is how we write it. Write till here first. If you have written till here, you can tell me, we can proceed.
Can you scroll down?
Okay, should I scroll down? Now we will differentiate again both the sides because we want double derivative now. Differentiating both sides again. So this is the first part. We keep it here as it is and we differentiate the second one. So it will be 1 minus 4 and there will be product rule. So x into 1 plus dy by dx and minus, then you will take 4x plus y as it is and dx by dx will be 1. So this is the product rule which we are applying here. Now this part into derivative of this plus another part which is 1 minus 4x into x plus y into derivative of dy by dx, which will be d2y by dx square. So this is the derivative of the left hand side. When you differentiate the right hand side, it will be 4x plus y dy by dx plus 4y 1 plus dy by dx. So write this step. So we have applied product rule here, and then inside also we have applied product rule.
Sir, are we doing second order derivative here?
Yes, second order derivative.
Sir, can you just explain the second derivative? How did you get this?
Yes, yes. So this is suppose u and this is suppose v. So we have taken u and differentiated v. So when we differentiated v, okay, one mistake I have done. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Good that you asked. So differentiation of 1 is 0. And then this part 4x into x plus y. Here we have again applied product rule. So 4x into 1 plus dy by dx. That is the derivative of x plus y. And then minus 4x plus y, and derivative of x is 1. Then the second part, u is taken, v is taken as it is. And the first part dy by dx is differentiated as d2y by dx square. So this is what we get. This is equal to, now we have to differentiate this. So 4x plus y into derivative of y, and then 4y, and derivative of x plus y will be 1 plus dy by dx. So this is what we are getting.
Okay, sir.
Now we have to find d2y by dx square at x equal to 0. So here what we will do, first we will go back, and in this equation, we will first find y when x is equal to 0. So it was log x plus y is equal to 4xy. It was log x plus y to the base e is equal to 4xy. So we put x is equal to 0 there, and we find that log of x, x is 0. So this will become log of 0 plus y, that will be y only, to the base e is equal to 0. So we get y is equal to e to the power 0, that is 1. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. This is one thing we are getting. First write this.
The derivative of 4x will be 4, right?
Yeah, derivative of 4x is 4, but we are not differentiating here. We are putting x is equal to 0 here. So here our purpose is to find the value of y when x is 0. Now another thing is that we got this. This is the first equation, then this is the second equation. In this second equation, if we put x is equal to 0, okay, this equation I'm writing here, dy by dx, 1 minus 4x into x plus y equal to 4y x plus y minus 1. Now here, when we want to find dy by dx at x equal to 0, so we put x as 0, put x as 0. And when x as 0, y is 1, we know this, we have got in above. So this will be x0, y1. So this will become 0. And this will become like this. So this will be 3. So dy by dx is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 0, dy by dx is 3. This is what we are getting here. So write this one also.
Sir, here we cannot put only the value of x.
No, because y is also present here. No? So that is why we found the value of y here. So that when we put the value of x, we can also put the value of y.
It should be in according with the value of x.
Sorry,
It should be according to the value of x.
it should be according to the value of x. Now we come to the last part, this one, which we got here. So this equation, which we got here, this one, here what we have to do is, this will reduce now. This will not be this big equation. Now what we have here is, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and dy by dx is equal to 3. This is what we are getting. Now using these three values, we put here. So dy by dx is 3. So we put 3 here. And then we have 0 minus 4x into 1 plus dy by dx. So 0 minus 4x. So 4 into 0 it will become, and into whatever is 0. Minus 4x plus y. So minus 4x plus y is 0 plus 1. This is 0 plus 1. And then we have plus 1 minus 4x into x plus y. 1 minus 4x into x plus y will be 0 into dy by dx, d2y by dx square. So d2y by dx square we don't know. That is what we have to find out when x is 0. Right side 4x plus y dy by dx. So 4x plus y dy by dx is 3. So into 3. Plus 4y 1 plus dy by dx. So plus 4y into 1 plus dy by dx. So this would become like this. Now just solve this. The first term is 0 and then 0, then minus 4, so it will be minus 12. And then plus d2y by dx square. And then here it is 4 and 1 and 3, 12. And this is 4 and 4, 16. So we get d2y by dx square as 16 plus 12, and this 12 will also go there. 24 plus 16 is 40. So when x is 0, d2y by dx square is 40. So if we see option is not given there, but we can say that this is our answer. So it was a difficult question. Even in JEE also you get some easy questions, some difficult questions. So it doesn't matter if your concept is clear. It is little lengthy also, but you can do it. Written, everyone?
Sir, I'm writing.
Okay.
Can you scroll?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me first adjust this next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the next question here. This says, let me write it clearly. This is derivative of log of x to the base e into log of x to the base a with respect to x. Just try this, then we will discuss. Yes. What you will apply first? Can you tell me? Can you apply product rule? This is U, this is V. So you take U outside and differentiate V, and then plus V outside and differentiate U. Would you do this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, but here can differentiate log a, right?
Log x to the base a. What is that? What is the derivative of that? Log x to the base e, everyone knows it is 1 by x. Then what is the derivative of log of x to the base a? You have to remember that also. It is 1 by x log of a to the base e. So log a to the base e is like a constant. It will be, sorry, it will be like this. I wrote it wrong. The log x to the base a is there. So it will become log x to the base e by log a to the base e. Yeah, that was correct. Sorry, unnecessary. I got confused. So this is 1 by x log a to the base e. So when you will differentiate, this log x to the base e will remain as it is. And the differentiation of log x to the base a will be 1 by x log of a to the base b e. Plus this is log x to the base a into differentiation of log x to the base e is 1 by x only. So you write it like this. Then what we do is, this is 1 by x, and we take this log x to the base e here, and in the denominator we have log a to the base e plus log x to the base a by x we have. Now the property of log, if you remember, the property of log we can use here, and we can say that log of x to the base e by log of a to the base e is actually log of x to the base a, and upon x is there. Another one is also log x to the base a by x. So both become same. So 2 log x to the base a upon x. This is the answer which we will get. So 2 log x to the base a upon x, which means option C. Let's see the next question. So this is the next question. It says that e to the power y plus xy is equal to e. Then the value of d2y by dx square for x is equal to 0. So here also they are asking double derivative for x is equal to 0, as we did a while ago. So you have to first find dy by dx and then find the value of y and dy by dx for x equal to 0. And then you will find d2y by dx square, and there you put x0 and y and dy by dx and get d2y by dx square. So I hope you can do it now. Please try it, give it some time, then we'll discuss. So here also we will approach in a similar manner that we differentiate e to the power y plus xy equal to e, both the sides. So we'll get e to the power y dy by dx as its derivative. This will have product rule. So x dy by dx plus y dx by dx is 1 and differentiation of e is 0. Now we take dy by dx as common and it will be e to the power y plus x plus y equal to 0. So this is the first relation. This is the second relation. Now we'll differentiate again. So we will get d2y by dx square by product rule into py plus x plus dy by dx, and differentiation of this is e to the power y dy by dx plus differentiation of x is 1. Then this y will be differentiated as dy by dx and this will be equal to 0. This is the third one. So we have got the relation in y, the relation in dy by dx, and the relation in d2y by dx square. Next, what we have to do? We have to put x equal to 0. From the first one, we will find the value of y. Then from the second one, we will find the value of dy by dx. And then those values we will put in the third one and we'll find d2y by dx square. So just complete it now and tell me what is the answer. I hope you are getting this now. But you will get y when you will put x is equal to 0 in the first one. What will be the y value of y? Isn't it e to the power y plus 0 into y is 0 is equal to e. So e to the power y is equal to e to the power 1. So y is equal to 1. You will get this. Similarly, put the value of x0 and y1 in the second one and find dy by dx. What will be dy by dx then? In the second one, when we put x0 and y has come as 1, so what will be the value of dy by dx? Wouldn't be dy by dx into e plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will be dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by e. Now put x0, y1 and dy by dx as minus 1 by e. In the third one, are you understanding the process now? I'm not getting any response from you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these three things we got, we put in the third one. So d2y by dx square that we have to find. And we have e to the power y, that is e plus x is 0 plus dy by dx is minus 1 by e. And then e to the power y is e and dy by dx is minus 1 by e. Okay. Plus 1 it will become, plus dy by dx will be minus 1 by e is equal to 0. So we will get this. Now when we write it like this will be e into d2y by dx square. And then this will be e will cancel, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So this whole thing will be 0. Minus 1 by e is equal to 0. So d2y by dx square will be equal to 1 by e, and one more e will multiply 1 by e square. So this would be your answer. So write it down. Let us see which option is correct. B option is correct. One different type of question let us take. So this is a question, you have to differentiate it and you have to find the correct option. Options I'm giving you. Options are 1, minus 1, half, minus half. So little bit of inverse trigonometry is also here. And differentiation is of course there. I think there is some other class right now. Let me confirm because many people are there in the waiting room. So today's class of till 1 hour. So we have to conclude the session because there is another batch going to